Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to change your email on Epic Games without verification. First, go to the Epic Games website and click on Sign In from the top right corner. Now, log in using your current email and password. If you don't remember your email, you can also continue with Google or any other linked account. Once you're logged in, click on your username at the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Here, check if there is an option to update your email. If not, you'll need to contact support. Now click on support from the top left corner. Then scroll down and click on accounts. Next, scroll down again and click on contact us. Here, select your platform, PC, PlayStation, Xbox, etc. Then choose the product and contact reason. Now in the description box, explain your issue. You can write something like, I have lost access to my current email address and cannot receive the verification code. Please update my email to this new one, your name email. Finally, submit the request and wait for Epic Games support to respond. They may ask for additional details to verify your identity. That's it, you've now requested an email change without needing verifications. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.